Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue with electronic spreadsheet advance. Last video I have shown you how the exactly LibreOffice calc look like. How we can make the normal additions, subtractions, how we can enter the data in your LibreOffice calc. In this chapter we are going to learn about first session is analyze data using scenarios and goal seek. The first one is consolidating data. Now what is consolidating data? Consolidate provides a graphical interface for copying data from one range of cells to another, then running one of the dozen functions on the data. During consolidation, the contents of cells from several sheets can be combined in one place. I will show you a normal small example for understanding how we can consolidate the data in your calc spreadsheet. See, I have the example of some selling products in the different area. These are the manager who have sold in north, south, east and west. In the month of June, this is their selling. In July, this is, and in August. Now, if I want to find the consolidate data, like where in which month who have sell the most amount of the product in which area, if I want to find out, here I am just taking the example of 3 months. In big companies, in big sectors, they are using the finding their throughout the year, how many years, like throughout the years, whichever their products are selling, whichever their products are in which area products are not getting sold. For finding the 12 months and all, it will be very difficult. Now if for 3 months I can just go through with this and I can easily understand. But if there is more data, more months, like example till 12 months, you have to find out. Managers are there, so many more managers are there. If you are in big companies and all, you will have so many managers and all. So for finding from them, it will be very difficult. So we are going to use consolidate data for finding out. I will show you how we can do. This is my data of 3 months, June, July and August. I will create one more sheet. Open the document that contains the cell range to be consolidated. I want to consolidate my cell range in this sheet number 4. Now choose the data, go to the data, and here the option is consolidate. Click on that. This is the consolidate data you can define here. Now you can see here function, which function you want. If you want the total of all the cells which have been all the products which are sold throughout the year, throughout these 3 months, whatever products have sold, if you want to find out the sum function, you can choose the sum. If you want to find the maximum product in which like whichever area maximum product have been sold, for that you can use the max. If you want to use minimum, you can do the minimum. If you want to find the product average, all this, let's go with the sum function. In source data ranges, if the source data range list contains name ranges, you can select a source cell range to the consolidate with the other areas. If the source range is not named, click the field to the right and either type a reference from the first source data range or use the mouse to select the range on the sheet. You may need to move the consolidate dialog to search reach the required places. In this, if the source data range is named, so you can directly choose that. If it's not there, you should select your data range. For selecting my data range, I'm just moving this dialog box here. See, by just clicking left click, you will see here data has been selected. The range has been selected. Once it's got selected, click on the add button. You can see that June data has been added, range has been added. Now for July I want to choose. I will go to the July tab, left click on that, just click it and drag it. See here, July data range has been added. Click on add. The consolidation range, you can see July is also added. Now I will go to the August month and I will just click on that and add it. Like that, I have added my 3 months data for consolidation. If you have more data, if you want to add more, same process you can do it, and just by adding you can add your data. Now after adding your data, copy results to where you want to have see your results. Specify that area. As you can see here, spare sheets A1, it's already selected. If it's not there, just go to the, if the target range is not named, click the field next to copy results and enter the reference of the target range or select the range using the mouse or the position. If here it is not automatically came, you can just click on that and where you can just select where you want your range. Select the function from the function list. The function specifies how the values of the consolidation ranges are linked. The sum function is default settings from here. Most of the available functions are statistically, such as average, minimum, max, state view, and the tool most useful when you are working with the same data over and over. If you are using that same data over and over, if you are doing this consolidation ranges, you don't have to do again and again. It will be there in your system. Optionally, click more in the consolidate dialog box to display additional settings. Select link to the source data to insert the formulas that generates the result in target range rather than the actual result. If you link the data, any values modified in the source range are automatically updated in the target range. If you click on this, and even if you are changing in month of June, July, August, automatically that changes will come in your target sheets. This is your the sheets where you are doing your consolidated data. The corresponding cells referenced in the target range are inserted in a consecutive rows which are automatically ordered and then hidden from the view. Only the final results based on the selected function is displayed. Under the consolidate by, select either rows, labels or columns. Labels. If the cell of source range data range are not consolidated corresponding the identical position of the cells in the range, but instead according to the matching row label or the column label. To consolidate by row labels or column labels, the label must be contain the selected source range. After selecting the ranges and doing the setting, click on the OK. You will see the total sum of there in the north area have appeared in this first column. Like that in other areas and other managers also. This is how we are consolidating for the sum. If you notice here, some arrows are there, plus arrows. If you click on that, you will see the Ramesh in July months in this, June months in this one, July this one, and August this one. The total of this, it is 1700. If you select on this, if you press on minus sign, it will get closed. Then if you want to see the Ramesh one, you can directly see the Suresh one and the total amount of this product he have sold. Same goes with Amit also. You can see total amount of Amit and June month, July month and August month differently. If you are continually working with the same range, then you probably want to use the data created range to give it a name. If you are using that same data range continuously, so you should give some name for the data range. The data from the consolidation ranges and the target range are saved when you save the document. Where if you are saving the file, your all this consolidated data, this data sheet, new sheets, everything will get saved. If you later open a document in which consolidation has been defined, this data will be available. Again, it will be available. If you close this, save and close this, when you are opening the next time and you want to do the consolidation, that data will be there saved. You can available, you can use it there. This is how we can do the consolidation of data for sum. One more example I'm going to show you for finding out the maximum, in which area they have sent the maximum. I'll create the new sheets in data 5. Go to the data, consolidate. As I have said you, if your consolidation range is saved, it will come automatically here. Click the function. I want to check the maximum of the data has been sold. Here, copy result to, in which area it should be get copy. It should get in sheet 5. So I will just select on this and then click here. So my copy result to sheet 5, it came. Click on this. Okay, it's done. Click OK. Here you will see the which area they have sent the sell the most amount, maximum amount of that. If I'm clicking here, see Ramesh, June month is 500, July is 600 and August is 600. So total maximum when he have sent to the 600 maximum. So it came the maximum product he have sent, that is 600. In south area 850. In east area 640 and in west area this is a 900. He have sold the most amount. Like that you can see for the other employees, other managers also. This is how we are using the consolidation data. Hope you have understand. The creating subtotals I will explain in next video. Don't get confused with consolidating data. Try to solve. Take the maximum number of 5 employees, the 5 employees or 5 students, whichever you want, and practice with that. Hope you have understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. How we have found out for the maximum, we can find for minimum also, we can find the average also, what is the average selling we are doing in this area zone. Okay, then I'm closing here. Thank you.